Not every successful person wants to announce their success. Some people wear expensive watches that nobody recognizes. Some people live in beautiful homes hidden behind high walls. And some people drive a Volkswagen worth almost 2 million rands. Today we are speaking about the Volkswagen Touareg R-Line. In my opinion, this is one of the most underrated luxury SUVs in South Africa. People often walk past it because they see the Volkswagen badge, but if you actually understand what this vehicle offers, you quickly realize that it competes with SUVs wearing BMW, Mercedes-Benz and even Range Rover badges. This is not a car for someone trying to look rich, it is a car for someone who already is. Now we are going to have a closer look at that. Welcome to part 3 of the series that we are currently on at the moment. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe now. We are currently on the road to 10,000 subscribers. If you are a returning viewer and subscriber, welcome back to Fumie 015 RPM. Whether you are new or have been here, kindly press the like button underneath the video. YouTube will recommend this video to more viewers if you can do that for the channel. Let us not waste any time. We are beginning with the video now. Fumie 015 RPM is a YouTube channel dedicated to giving you the best car reviews. I present to you by the name Fumie. I am a former sales executive at BB Motors. If you simply want to be a smart shopper in the vehicle industry, you are in the right direction. Thank you for tuning in and please don't forget to subscribe. I found this specific VW Touareg at VW Midrand. It is finished in Oryx White Pearl Effect, one of the best colors you can get on a Touareg. The dealership has added several factory options such as lane keeping system, lane assist, lane change system, dyna audio sound system, 360-degree camera system and park assist, black style package for R-Line, as well as the night vision. Using the night vision, the Touareg uses infrared beams to scan an area up to 130 meters ahead that detects thermal radiation and projects an image onto the digital cockpit. In the event of a critical situation, the system will also warn you and precondition the brake assistance systems, helping you maximize safety at night, especially when visibility is impaired. That is according to the Volkswagen Group, and this is why the night vision will cost you 43,000 rands as an optional extra. When you add the base price, optional extras, as well as VAT, the Touareg comes to a whopping 1,962,200 rands. That is nearly 2 million rands for a Volkswagen, and that is exactly why many people underestimate this vehicle. Let's speak about why people don't give it the credit it deserves. The problem is the badge. People think it is just a Volkswagen, but from this video I'm expecting people to know that this is Volkswagen's flagship SUV. This is the best SUV Volkswagen builds. Everything about it feels premium, the doors shut with confidence, the cabin is beautifully insulated, the materials feel expensive, and once you are behind the wheel, you stop looking at the badge, you simply enjoy the engineering. I honestly think this vehicle deserves much more recognition than it gets in South Africa. Now let us answer the big question, who actually buys this car? Not everyone driving a Touareg is the same, but there are certain groups you see over and over again. The first group is successful business owners. I'm talking about people who own construction companies, logistics businesses, security companies, property development firms, engineering businesses, mining suppliers, agricultural businesses, people employing hundreds of staff. These are people whose businesses generate serious cash flow. They don't necessarily want attention, they want comfort. They want reliability and safety, as well as something that reflects success without screaming for it. The second group is doctors, especially specialists, orthopedic surgeons, cardiologists, radiologists. Those are professionals who spend long hours working. When they leave the hospital, the last thing they want is a harsh ride. They want peace, quietness, comfort. The Touareg delivers exactly that. Then you have attorneys, accountants, corporate executives, partners at consulting firms, CEOs, people who spend more time traveling between meetings than they do sitting at home. The Touareg is a perfect office on wheels. You will also find entrepreneurs involved in government contracts and large-scale projects. Many of these buyers simply walk into a dealership and pay cash. When you are dealing with businesses turning over millions of rands annually, financing is not always necessary. Some still choose finance because it makes business sense, others prefer paying cash and moving on. That is the reality of this market. Let us speak about what you get for your money. Power comes from Volkswagen's brilliant 3-liter V6 turbo diesel. This engine produces 190 kilowatts of power and 600 Newton meters of torque. It is paired with an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission. Power is sent to all four wheels in what we call 4Motion technology. This is not a vehicle built for drag races. It is built for effortless performance. The kind where overtaking feels easy, where climbing mountains passes feels effortless, where towing a large boat or horse trailer doesn't even make the engine brake a sweat. With a towing capacity of up to 3,500 kilograms, this is a serious machine for business owners who tow equipment, trailers, and leisure toys. The interior is where Volkswagen really spoiled buyers. You get Varena leather seats, heating, ventilation, massage functions, brushed stainless steel finishes, 30 color ambient lighting, a massive 15 inches touchscreen, the 12-inch digital instrument cluster, wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. Everything is clean, modern, elegant. It doesn't try too hard. It simply feels expensive. It looks premium without shouting. The R-Line package transforms the Touareg. Aggressive front bumper, gloss black details, R-Line badging, body-colored lower sections, IQ Light HD matrix headlights, animated welcome light, a full-width LED light bar at the rear end, an illuminated Volkswagen badge. The 21 inches lead wheels, they complete the look perfectly. A huge panoramic sunroof that goes all the way to the rear seats. It fills the entire cabin with natural sunlight. This is not a flashy SUV, it is a sophisticated one. Now let us look at the numbers. Using the total vehicle price from Volkswagen Midrand, which is 1,962,200 rands, if financed over 6 years with 500,000 rands deposit, zero balloon payment at an interest rate of 11%, your monthly installment is going to be 27,832 rands. If you now include 35% balloon payment, monthly installment goes to 21,055 rands. But let us be realistic, very few buyers walk into a dealership and finance over 2 million rands with zero deposit. Vehicles in this price category usually require significant deposits. Many buyers put down several 100,000 rand upfront, others simply buy them outright. That is how this segment works. The Touareg is not trying to be louder than a BMW X5. It is not trying to be flashier than the Mercedes-Benz GLE. It simply delivers world-class engineering in a package that doesn't beg for attention, and perhaps that is why I respect it so much. It is a vehicle for people who know exactly what they have achieved, people who don't need approval, people who appreciate quality more than status. If you ask me to recommend one luxury SUV that doesn't get the credit it deserves in South Africa, the Volkswagen Touareg would be very close to my recommendation. It is powerful, comfortable, beautifully built, packed with technology, and it quietly reminds everyone that sometimes the most successful people don't need the loudest badge, they simply choose the smartest one. If you have enjoyed part 3 of this series, let me know in the comments below. If you have reached this far watching this video, I am kindly asking you to subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.